plate. Got a motorcycle taking off on me. Hold on 1 second. It's going to be 3 Robert Nora 43 Robert Nora 8 Charles. Looks like Eastern Boulevard. Run that plate. Make sure it comes back to what I want it to. Plate. Once I have the plate, I'm going to discontinue this.
Turning on file.
Big man. It's going to be 43 Robert Nora. I'm just missing the last 2. Robert Nora 80. 43 Robert Nora 80 Yellow Harley. Just give me the address and the name. I'm going to discontinue the pursuit. Speeds are 80 miles an hour going out State Street towards State Street Hill. 100. I've discontinued the pursuit. Just give me the information on that plate and the bike.
Turns Valley 2000 Harley Davidson Yellow. C.L. Patterson, Jackson 2 Road in Carthage. We'll let Spade County know.
Let him know. Have him go to that address and wait for him. As soon as they have him, he's mine.
Look out for a reckless motorcycle near plate 43 Robert North 80. The yellow color Harley Davidson registered to a C.L. Patterson 35371 Jackson 2 Road. Transit stop from City Patrol. Repeating, be on the lookout for a yellow Harley Davidson 43 Robert 980. Registered to a C.L. Patterson, 35371 Jackson 2 Road.
State Street Road with reflective striping down the sleeves and all over the back of it. Black helmet, and he's on the yellow Harley. Plate.
Then 1 Jackson 2 Road.
61079, that address, Carthage.
The same date of birth?
Yeah, I'm going to be en route out there. Tony, meet me there, please. Okay, let him know I'll meet him there.
Okay.
336 Jefferson.
336.
That resident, Jackson 2 Road.
336, you're static. Confirming you're out at that residence.
Affirmative.